In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own music website using Wix. Whether you're a singer-songwriter, a band, or a music producer, having a professional online presence is essential. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to wix.com. If you don't already have an account, it's time to create one. You can easily sign up with your email address or connect via social media platforms for a quick sign-up process. For those of you who already have a Wix account, go ahead and log in to proceed. This is your startup foundation for building that brilliant site. Now, once you're in, it's time to choose the right template for your music website. You'll want to click on Create a New Website, and here you'll be presented with various options. Since your focus is music, be sure to select Music as your website type. Wix offers a vast array of musician-specific templates tailored to different genres and styles, so take your time to browse through them. Each template comes with unique features that might better suit the vibe you're going for. For those who want to have more creative freedom and control over every aspect of design, it's advisable to select the Wix editor rather than opting for the more automated AI-generated sites. This choice allows you to tweak every detail to your liking. Now that your template is set, let's focus on the heart of your website, your music. Wix makes this step straightforward with its Wix Music Player feature. Simply navigate to the Add section, then select Music, followed by Wix Music. This will integrate a music player directly onto your site, allowing visitors to experience your sound right away. With the music player in place, the next step is to upload your material. Click on Manage Your Music, where you can create albums or curated playlists, adding that personal touch to your site. Wix supports uploads in various file formats, including MP3, WAV, FLAC, and ALATs, giving you flexibility regarding audio quality. Whether you're sharing demos or full albums, ensuring your audience has high-quality sound available is key. Customization is where your site truly becomes your own. You'll want to tailor the music player to fit seamlessly with the overall aesthetic of your site. You have the choice to allow streaming, downloading, or even purchasing options for your music. This flexibility lets you cater to different types of fans, whether they're eager to buy or just prefer to listen. Additionally, the player's design, colors, and layout can all be adjusted, helping you maintain a cohesive look that reflects your personal or brand style. And there you have it. By the end of this process, you'll have a captivating music website up and running. Not only does this give you a space to showcase your tracks, but it also helps you connect with fans worldwide. Remember, your site can always evolve as your music and artistry do. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!